Have you ever walked into your bathroom and seen a line of red ants near the sink or drain? No food, no crumbs, still ants. If you are searching for how to get rid of red ants from your bathroom, this video will show you the real reason they're coming and how to stop them permanently. Before you spray anything, before you panic, you need to do one thing. Find where they are entering. Because if you don't seal the entry point, you are only removing visitors, not the colony. Don't kill them immediately. Observe them for 2 to 3 minutes. Where do they disappear? That tiny crack is the real problem. Now this is the part most people skip. They spray, they wipe, they panic, but they don't inspect. And that's why the ants keep coming back. Let me show you exactly where to look. Start with the tile grout and floor corners. Look at the joint where the wall meets the floor. Check behind the toilet base. Look around the sink pedestal. Even the tiniest hairline crack, something you might not even notice, can become an ant highway. Next, inspect the drain pipe edges. Look closely around the floor drain. Check the gap around the washbasin pipe. Open the cabinet and inspect where the pipe enters the wall. Even a 1 to 2 mm gap is enough for ants to enter. They don't need space. They just need access. Now open your bathroom cabinet. Don't just glance, really check. Look at the back panel. Run your finger along the pipe entry point. When I checked mine, there was a tiny unsealed gap where the pipe entered the wall. That was their route, and I would never have noticed it if I hadn't followed the trail carefully. Next, your exhaust vent and window frames. Bathrooms stay humid. Humidity softens sealant over time. If there's even a small airflow gap around the vent, ants can use it as an entry point. Especially during summer or monsoon, when outdoor colonies get disturbed. And this one surprises most people. Electrical switchboards. Yes, even there, ants travel inside wall voids. If your bathroom shares a wall with another room or exterior space, they can enter through wiring gaps. And here's the truth. If you don't seal the crack, the ants will return, no matter what you spray. Because you're not removing the problem. You are just removing the visitors. Now that you know where they enter, let's understand why. Most people say, there's no food in my bathroom. That's not entirely true. Bathrooms provide dripping taps, wet tiles, damp mats, leaky pipes. High humidity red ants need water to survive. In summer especially, water becomes more valuable than food. Your bathroom becomes a hydration station. This shocked me when I discovered it. Many bathroom products contain attractants. Shampoo or conditioner contains glycerin, fruit extracts, honey derivatives. If shampoo leaks and dries sticky under the cap, ants detect it. Toothpaste contains sorbitol, a sugar alcohol. Residue near sink corners can attract scout ants. Coconut oil, almond oil, herbal blends, oil scent compounds attract ants, especially if spilled in cabinets. Face wash, serums, scrubs, even dried micro residue under the sink can act as a signal. Ants don't need a buffet. They need a trace. Myth 1. Ants only come for food. Reality, they come for moisture, scent, and access. Myth 2. Daily cleaning prevents ants. Reality, cleaning surfaces doesn't seal structural gaps. Myth 3. Spraying insecticide solves it. Reality, sprays kill visible ants but not the hidden colony. Sometimes spraying makes them scatter and create multiple trails. That's why people say they disappeared for 2 days, then came back worse. Now that you've identified the entry point, use plain soapy water to kill visible ants. It blocks their breathing pause instantly and is safe for bathroom surfaces. Mix vinegar and water. Spray along the trail. This removes pheromone scent marks that guide other ants. Neem is one of the most underrated bathroom remedies. Mix 1 liter warm water with 2 tablespoons neem oil. Spray around drains, along tile edges, under sink cabinet. Neem disrupts ant communication and discourages repeated trails. Naphthalene balls repel ants by interfering with scent trails. Place them inside cabinet gaps, near pipe openings, behind exhaust vent openings. Do not place in open walking areas or near toiletries. Run exhaust fan. Wipe tiles. Remove damp mats. Fix leaks. Moisture control is non-negotiable. This is what stopped mine permanently. Seal pipe gaps, tile cracks, and cabinet openings with a waterproof silicone sealant. Sprays are temporary, sealing is permanent. I've linked a good bathroom grade sealant below to help stop ants from coming back. Damp wood attracts nesting. Store products properly. Wipe bottle bases weekly, keep oils inside trays, clean under sink cabinet monthly. During summer and monsoon, outdoor nests get disturbed. Ants migrate indoors. Bathrooms become ideal. If you see ants carrying white larvae or repeatedly emerging from the same wall cavity, the nest may be inside the wall. That's when professional pest control may be needed. Red ants in your bathroom are not random. They are responding to moisture, scent, and access. Seal the gaps. Control moisture. Disrupt their trail, and they won't come back. If this helped you understand how to get rid of red ants from your bathroom, comment "bathroom secured" below. And tell me, where are you seeing them?